Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix this error on Xbox Live if you are currently experiencing this right now. There might be an outage in our online services and this error code right over here. So before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So to begin, I'd recommend by going on your browser. Any browser will do, and then type in down detector Xbox services. Go ahead and click on the first link. Just make sure it is the official down detector link. And as you can see on this page, you can see user reports show no current problems with Xbox. If you don't see any problems right now, there is no problem on Xbox. But if there is a problem, you will see a lot of reports right over here. As you can see, there's 0 reports of the moment right now. And also, what I'd recommend, you can also check the official Xbox status website. Although the note sometimes it might not immediately reflect ongoing problems, but let's do some troubleshooting. What I'd recommend is by a simple restart will sometimes fix a simple bug like this when you get that error right over here. So the best course of action is to wait a few hours, a few minutes until the service is restored. But anyways guys, you can't really do anything as of the moment since this is online services. So for that would be all for this video guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a rest of your day. Peace.